presentation as we go along now. So I will be more educated on what we are going to do today and in the future, and what are the best inputs that we can work on as a group. No? And but first, of course, let me acknowledge our resource persons all the way from different places. And Atilan, we will hear from you. But what can Lingayen expect from your group?
Professionals group, sir, di ba?
The professional group?
Yes.
Oh,
Remember
okay.
ko pa.
Nabigay sa akin.
Thank you, Thank you. From the National Commission for Cultural Affairs. Tinawag? Okay naman. So we are into this group, no? Walang outsider, kundi we are all into this group. So I understand that we have to present a feasibility study for livelihood, no? And this livelihood will be funded by OWA.
Yes, sir.
It will be funded by OWA. And the first that have been submitted is the Poblacion Barangay in the purchase and operations of a printing machine.
In business po.
Printing business. Okay, so mayroon na itong kind of feasibility study.
Yes.
How much will be invested? People will operate it. No? Susundan mo yan. Kailangan yung mga bayad sa kanila. Preferably yung family yung OFW naman. Para hindi na matira. And then, how much will be generated income that can be accrued out of the operations. Kayo, at least, simple lang naman to eh. It's a simple business operation. So there will be some kind of accounting, simple accounting. No? So part of it will go to maintenance, part or recovery of the capital, capital outlay that had been infused by the OWA. Mayroon ba tayong obligation to pay back?
Wala.
Wala.
Grant.
Grant, okay. So, but we have to think of some kind of, even if it is gratis, in other words, dapat it should be an income-generating activity which will expand the business. So, how do we do that? Siyempre, whatever it earns should be accumulated, and whatever you decide for its expansion should be the consensus of the group, not by just one, no? Pag sinabi ng mayor nyo na, ito na, hindi ganun. Hindi ganun, ha? It has to be a consensus of everyone. Parang ganito. Kakaroon na ng freewheeling discussion, baka may mas magaling pa na proposal yung iba, so pakinggan natin. So that's how it is. It should be a democratic, participative, and cooperative undertaking. Yeah. So, what else? In line with the LGU plan of action, I just came from a meeting kanina. I have to ask permission from the regional director ng DICT. They are launching the eGov, electronic governance for the whole of the Philippines. And Lingayen have been cited as one of the, kahit na hindi pa tayo masyadong automated, we have been cited as one of the best LGUs, being SGLG awardee. What is SGLG, ate?
Seal of Good Governance.
Seal of Good
Governance.
Local government.
Local governance.
Alam niyo ba, nakandidate na naman tayo sa taon na ito? Excited ako dito. Kasi for many years, si Mr. Mayor is consistently an awardee of this SGLG, the mother of all awards nationwide. Kaya kung mayroon kayo natatanggap, nababalitaan niya na awardee si Mayor, sino dyan, awardee nito, ng Golden Award, mga ganon. Kung ano pa mga the best mayor, the best whoever, no? The mother of all awards is SGLG because that is government accredited. Government accredited. At mayroong batas na kinreate itong SGLG na ito. Pero di ba, money making. Oh, ay, in fact, ako rin na-invite. Nakatanggap ako na sulat eh. Mayor, and it's not only once. Kahit ng congressman ako, nakatanggap din ako sa congressman. You are a recipient. Ano kayo nilang dinisay na recipient ako? As one of the most outstanding congressman of the Philippines. Philippines, ha? Kung buti nila sinabing world kasi mahalata na sila. Kung sinabing outstanding congressman of the world, halata ko na talagang money making lang yun. Pero Philippines, siyempre nagdalawang isip ako. Kaya ito ako. Politely naman, I declined para naman siguro maka-initiative yan ng mga ating mga officialis ng gobyerno. I politely declined. And this is happening all over, ha? This is happening all over. But this SGLG is covered by a law. Atas yan. And this is the mother of all awards. Lahat ng mga departamento, tourism, DOLE, TESDA, DPWH, DENR, LGU, headed by the DILG. Yan. So, happy na naman tayo yan. Kaya excited ako kasi mukhang pumasa na tayo sa regional ulit, no? So, sa national will be this coming September. Kaya maganda tayo. Actually, you are one of the contributors why we are recipients of SPLE. Because NGOs like this, binibigyan natin ng halaga, binibigyan natin importansya, no? Hindi yung, ay, hindi lang yan, walang sinabi yan, hindi ganun. Dito sa Lingayen, we give importance to whoever you are. Yung ang kanta nyo na doble kayo, nung makita ko, bakit hindi natin ito i-feature ko nga. When you won the regional champion, you won the regional champion, di ba?
Yes.
Yung doble kayo. Nag-viral. No less than the regional director ng DOLE ba yun? OFW. Ng Department of Migrant Workers. Oo. Sabi niya, ganda nito ha. So, he asked my permission. Sabi niya, pwede ba? I-post ko ito sa ano namin, sa vlog namin. Sabi niya, chat group. Opo, by all means. That's why nag-viral kayo. Yung yung doble kayo. It depicts your hardships, your work, no? Your love of country, your love of your family. First and foremost, love of family. No? Why were you out there? Because you wanted your children to finish their schooling, to achieve their dream, to become professionals, no? And hopefully you can come back and be with the family. Yun. That's it. I am also a relative of OFWs. Mga kapatid ko, nasa abroad sila. Anong ginagawa nila doon? They're earning a living, a decent living, so that their family back home somehow benefit, di ba? And if you support somebody back home in the Philippines, you're supporting the country as a whole. Yun ang pananaw ko. Kaya, keep up the good work. We think of this fellowship. Patangan. Balik patangan. And keep me informed on whatever way possible. Okay, let me just align you a little bit doon sa program of action ng Lingayen. Earlier, kasama ko si Vice Mayor, councilors, some councilors, and some department managers. I told them, ever since I became the mayor, itong vision ko for Lingayen, to be the role model in livelihood generation for our people. role model in livelihood generation for our people. How can that be possible? Ang frontline organization natin dito, department, is the Municipal Agrarian Office, which is in charge of agriculture, aquaculture, livestock. Pag sinabi nyo, gusto nyo magtanim ng mga gulay para ang ating bayan ay self-sufficient, yung MAU, agriculture. And of course, all the other departments to help in the effort. Gusto nyo abundance of fish kasi yan ang kailangan ng ating taong bayan. Food on the table, 3 times a day. Pag akapangan, so totoo tayo. Napsal, that is an accomplishment in itself, di ba? Hindi na magiging problema ng bayan yan. Hindi na magiging problema ng mga bata na basta there is food on the table, there is money on the pocket, you support children to go to school, they finish their dreams, their ambitions, whether you are abroad or here in the Philippines. That is an accomplishment in itself. Accomplishment na yun. So, that's what I am. Supporting every group, big or small, to help our town in Gayan. Kanina, Kalipi, nandun sa opisina ko. Sino sa inyong Kalipi members, o kamag-anak, nandun sila. 32 barangays, and they are the representatives ng Kalipi. And I told them about our plan to engage them in a productive undertaking like this. When I heard you having a fellowship planning here, sabi ko, I should be there also. That's the reason why I have to come over here and greet you and share the messages. Thank you.